The defending American League champion Tampa Bay Rays made their first trip to the new Yankees Stadium to kick off a 7-game American League East road trip with 2 in the Bronx. The first trip to the old Yankee Stadium for Tampa wasn't pretty, as they lost 7-1 back in 1998. In 1998, A.J. Burnett was dominating A-ball, but this year no decisions in his last 3 outings. Still though, 2-0. Evan Longoria, American League's Player of the Month, in the top of the third with 1 on and 1 out. He delivers a double down the left field line that scores B.J. Upton. He came in 2 for 13 against A.J., and it's 1-0 Tampa. Bottom 3, 2 out, Jose Molina. He'll fly out to left. No need for suntan lotion on a nut like this in the Bronx, but B.J. Upton lays out anyway. Andy Sonnenstein, he went 2-0 at the old Yankee Stadium. Bottom 4, he's got Johnny Damon swinging for the second out of the inning. Same inning, now 2 on for Robinson Cano, and he'll fly out to Carl Crawford. Sonnenstein went 7 in the third. He struck out 4. Top 6, 2-0 Tampa. 1 on. Deano Navarro singles, scores Gabe Gross. It's a 3-0 lead for Tampa. Navarro went 2 for 3 on the night. Bottom 8, look at that. A beautiful night for baseball in the Bronx. Bases loaded. Mark Teixeira, there's no need to clean the bases when it's raining, but that's just the kind of guy Teixeira is. That brings home all 3, and it's a 3-3 game. Top 10 now. Still 3-3. No more Mo after he pitched a scoreless 9th, and Phil Koch on, and Carlos Pena out. His 12th home run of the year, his 6th home run in his last 12 games. He leads the majors in that category, and it's a 4-3 lead. Bring on Troy Percival, 4 for 4 this year in save opportunities. Make it 5 for 5 with the tying run on third. Hideki Matsui flies out to left. As Tampa Bay holds on, they win the ball game 4-3. Yanks now have lost 4 straight. In the victory, Evan Longoria extends his hitting streak to 10 games.